Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing us. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs, tag light bulbs on Hyundai Elantra. Both of those do not work, and that's a easy way to get a ticket or a warning, guys. So today we'll cover that. Please don't forget to subscribe and let's grow the channel together. Okay guys, so in our case both of them don't work. We'll demonstrate on both of them how to do that. Now it's important, guys, how you do it, otherwise you might break your light, you might scratch the paint. So we've seen people using a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, okay, let's say like this one right here. But when you do that, you're going to put too much pressure on the plastic, you scratch the paint, you might break the plastic. The idea about this is trim removal too. Those are very inexpensive and they work for the interior of the car, door panels. You'll be able to find the links on our website, guys, and check out for more information in the description of the video. So now right here on the outside of each light, okay, there is one notch. So if you go underneath it and push it in and then you pry this end up, okay, you see, and then you slide it a little bit towards this side, okay, and the light will come out. Okay, check it out here. Now we're going to disconnect, okay, the bulb right here. You have the center piece that you push in, okay, and you pull it out. Okay, this is it, guys. Okay, right here now. Okay, check it out now. This thing is actually broken. Somebody broke it. So stay with us for the other one. We'll demonstrate in more detailed way how to do that. Because somebody most likely used a screwdriver when they tried to remove it before. Okay, so this is it. This is the bulb right here. So now you grab it, guys. Okay, and we will install the new bulb. Okay, you just push it in. Okay, and now you have to push this thing together. It's supposed to have 4 teeth holding. We have only 2. This one's broken, so we definitely need to replace this one. Okay, and push it in. Okay, now it's important. Check it out now. It has 2 teeth right here. They need to go in, slide it. Okay, nope, it didn't go in. Okay, like that. And just push it until it clicks. Okay, so now the same procedure to this one. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, pry it out. Okay, now you need to push it this way and you'll be able to pull it out. We have the wire again, okay guys, right here. So press in the middle piece. Okay, and pull it out. Okay, now that light is, as you can see, the left hand side is all together. This one is in good condition. So now get a very small screwdriver, and again be very careful because it's fragile plastic and you need to pry it open. Okay, and this is the other bulb. That's not working. That's crazy. We purchased that car and most of the bulbs didn't work on it. I can't believe they didn't get a ticket or warning for something like that. So once in a while it's good to check your bulbs, guys, because not every vehicle gives you the warning that you have a bad tail light, tag light bulb and stuff like that, just to avoid ticket, warning, being pulled over. Okay, now the same procedure. You need to get this side first in. Okay, and then click. Okay, that's it. Now let's turn the lights on, okay, the tail lights on, and see if it actually works. Okay, both of them working, guys. That's crazy. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.